Hello everyone, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can add funds on trading to 12 account in 2026. So first of all, you need to simply launch your trading to 12 application. Then you just have to log in into your account if you haven't already. Now, when you verify your identity over here, the add funds option will be enabled in front of you. So you just have to simply select that particular option. Then you need to enter the amount of money that you want to deposit. Afterwards, you need to select your preferable payment method and use that payment method in order to basically make the payment. Now, when the payment is completed successfully, you just have to wait for at least 5 to 10 minutes until you receive your funds inside your trading 212 application. So when you have them, you are going to see it on the home page. So that's how you can basically do it. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.